Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the music station in Toyota RAV4 using the steering wheel. Okay, so let's begin. So first, on this panel let's select this music icon and now we have a list of our stations. So now I'll also boost up the volume a little bit. And now to switch between those stations, we don't need to do this, manually. Using our finger, we can simply click on those buttons on our steering wheel. So now I'll click on that icon, and you can see that I'm jumping between the radio stations in both directions. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.